guys, so it is Sunday afternoon. I have been just cleaning house and stuff, cleaning up after did some canning late last night, but I wanted to jump on here and say hello. So we went to church this morning. Kids had oatmeal for breakfast. Mika sang in the choir this morning and had a great time, and we have been home for many hours. We went to Walmart and picked up an extra turkey breast because I put one on the smoker this morning before church, and James has been here watching it all day, but we wanted to add another one, so we added it. And I've just been, like I said, cleaning up the kitchen and stuff and working on the house, and I just ran to the store to pick up the produce that I pick up on Sundays for the bunnies and stuff. So I'm going to get that fed to the animals. I just wanted to hop on here, say hi, ask you guys how you're doing, and kind of chat with you before I get busy. But anyways, yeah, I look super crazy. My hair is falling out like crazy. When I had COVID, became very sick and my hair started falling out. So my hair's super frizzy because I just don't like touching it too much because it falls out. Anyways, I've got to get busy and get rabbits fed.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell.
Our first turkey breast is ready. I'm about to bring it in. Penny's putting rolls in the oven. Mika just made stuffing and gravy. Bubba made mashed potatoes. Mika also made sweet potatoes, and we have canned cranberry sauce. I just took my father-in-law and CJ dinner. CJ wants to stay another night, and Bubba's gonna stay the night too because Mika has the doctor so early in the morning and they don't want to get up early. So I'll just have Mika, Maddie, and Penny to get up in the morning. But I'm gonna get this other turkey breast off the smoker and cut up, and we are gonna eat. Okay guys, so here is how our dinner looks tonight. Everybody helped out and it turned out amazing, and we will definitely be smoking turkey breast again. That turned out really good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys soon with another new video. Bye.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.